Hey guys, my name's Kate, and I have random adventures and things. So apologize for the weird fan noises. Anyway, I started the channel last year sometime, and it just kind of sat there. So I'm trying to relaunch it, and yay! So I figured I'd start with something that happened today because it was kind of funny. Thought I'd share it with you guys. But we have 3 cats, and one used to be like semi-feral, and she got adopted, and she adopted us and everything. But she's here now, and of the 3, she's the only one that goes outside with any frequency. So she was out there, and one of the larger neighborhood toms was roaming around, and I don't know what happened because we just heard like and went out there, and she must have scared him something fierce because she was still like puffed up and as you would expect, because her 2 kittens were in the house and she was defending her territory and all that. But we went outside to see what was happening, and the other cat just like across the yard, just out of the garden as fast as possible, like across the space in half a second kind of thing. But she came in and she was still all like agitated, as you would expect, really, after a major cat fight. With like, and it was funny too because bits of gray fluff from the other cat were just like floating around in the breeze after he ran over the fence. So that was fun. But it, the other 2, came over to make sure that she was okay and everything. And of the 2, there's one who is very opinionated and vocal about everything, and the other who usually just kind of is more mellow, basically. And it was funny because she was settling down and everything, and then the more mellow one went over to the back door. It's a screen so you can see out and stuff. Over to the back door and just kind of stared out like, "You better not be messing with my mama.
You better not. I can see you, and I will scratch your eyes out. I will."
So yeah, that was fun. Yeah. So yeah, calm down from that. Okay. I'm working on 3 different channels right now. To launch it. There's some videos on one of them, not on the other one, and then this is the 3rd, obviously. But there's going to be links in the down bar, and this one is the Ethnobotanicam page. That's non-dairy, vegetarian, gluten-free, soy-free food review type things. So basically I just raided the fridge and talked about things. So if you're interested in that at all, that one. Okay. And then this is the amazing plant project, and I haven't actually filmed anything for it yet, but I'm working on the scripts, and it like it's shaping up to be really interesting, and I have a blog that's going to correspond to that too, with maybe like more in-depth information and textual and stuff, but like educational about plants for people interested in botany and people not entirely interested in botany but who want to learn about stuff, that sort of thing. Because I know, like, the entire time that I was in school, plants weren't really emphasized. It was animals and people, and then the plants were just kind of the, background to everything else. And it's something like that. So if you want to see more of my videos, click subscribe, and there's going to be a link in the down bar, and usual things. Push thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you next week. Bye!